Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Way. Today we are going to discuss daily current affairs of 8th June 2021. So please stay with me at the end of the video. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which state government has ordered private hospitals, nursing homes to administer Covaxin shots only to second dose beneficiaries from 18 to 44 age group? So the correct answer of this question is B. Delhi. Delhi government has ordered hospitals, nursing homes to administer Covaxin shots. So the Delhi is the capital of India and it is the state which is governed by central government. And the LG of Delhi is Anil Baijal and the Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. Next question is, which state government has decided to create an oxyvan? So the correct answer of this question is D. Haryana. Haryana government announces on June 5 that the state will be creating an oxyvan spanning 80 acres in the Karnal district. For people to visit, the oxyvan will comprise 10 types of forests. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Chief Minister of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar and the Governor of Haryana is Satyadev Narayan Arya. Next question is, which Delhi hospital has begun screening children aged between 12 to 18 years for Covaxin clinical trials? The correct answer of this question is A. AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi has started screening children aged between 12 to 18 years for clinical trials of India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, that is Bharat Biotech's Covaxin from 7th June. And AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, these are the public hospitals and medical research universities. There are total number of 11 AIIMS in India now, and AIIMS was founded by first Prime Minister J.L. Nehru and the recommendation of Bohr Committee in 1952. Next question is, who among the following has withdrawn from the ongoing French Open? So the option B is correct, Roger Federer. He is Roger Federer, and tennis legend Roger Federer withdrew himself from the ongoing French Open on June 6 due to his discomfort in his knee. He is from Switzerland and he has won 20 Grand Slam men's single titles. So talking about Switzerland, a landlocked country in Europe, the capital of Switzerland is Bern and currency of Switzerland is Swiss franc and the president of Switzerland is Guy Parmelin. Coming to the next question, question number 5. Which among the following has been named Assam's 6th national park? So the correct answer of this question is D. Raimona. Raimona National Park is 6th Assam National Park. It is in Kokrajhar district. Kokrajhar. It was created on 5th June on the occasion of World Environment Day at Guwahati. Its area is 422 square kilometer, and now in India total national park is now 104. Kaziranga, Manas, Nameri, Orang and Dibru Sukhova, these are the 5 another national park in Assam. Now talking about Assam, capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister of Assam is Himanta Biswa Sarma and the governor of this state is Jagdish Mukhi. Next question is, what is the main objective of the chip-off technique that has been developed recently? So the correct answer of this question is A. Retrieval. Data retrieval is the main objective of the chip-off technique. Central Forensic Science Laboratory, Central Forensic Science Laboratory scientists developed a technique named chip-off technique, which is very useful in data retrieval. This technique will help to get back lock and encrypted data. Lock and encrypted data. This technique was developed by Akhilesh Kumar, Bhushan Ghode and Khebna Maniar. Question number 7. AMB is the nanofiber based tablets developed by IIT Hyderabad for curing which disease? So the correct answer of this question is A. Kala Azar. Kala Azar. IIT Hyderabad has developed nanofiber based oral tablets of amphotericin B called AMB to treat fungal infection. Post-COVID treatment. IIT Hyderabad researchers have decided to keep this technology free of IPR, means intellectual property rights. Question number 8. Which state government has started Anuprati coaching scheme? So D is the right answer. Rajasthan government started Anuprati coaching scheme. In this scheme, the government will provide the preparation of civil services exam, state services exam, NDA, CDS, etc. And the benefit of this scheme will be to SC, ST, OBC and EWS candidates of Rajasthan state. Now talking about Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur, Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot and Governor of this state is Kalraj Mishra. Here is the map of Rajasthan. Rajasthan shares its boundary with Pakistan and also shares its boundary with 5 Indian states, that is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Next question is, recently a new cricket species named Indymimus jayanti was found. So where it was found? Indymimus jayanti. Recently a new species of cricket named Indymimus jayanti was found in Kurra caves of Chhattisgarh. So the correct answer is B, Chhattisgarh. The new species was named after Professor Jayant Biswas. Jayant Biswas, one of the leading cave explorer in the country. It can help in designing hearing aids. Hearing aids for human. Question number 10. Recently, which agency published World Energy Investment Report 2021? So the correct answer is C, IEA. Recently, International Energy Agency has published World Energy Investment Report 2021. So, International Energy Agency was founded in 1974. Headquarters of IEA is in Paris and IEA focused on energy policies. India got its membership in 2017. That's all for the today. If you think this is very helpful, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.